Let's see the question. It's a basic question and comes in board examination. Two farmers have circular plots. The plots are watered with the same water source placed at the point common to the both of the plots. As shown in the figure, the sum of their areas is 130 pi and the distance between their center is 14 meter. Find the radius of the circle and what is the value of the detected by the farmers. It's a value based question and also the question comes in board examination. Two plots are in same line, tap here, straight line always formed. Suppose that is radius capital R, this is radius small r. The question is given, difference between their center means r minus r is equal to distance between their center 14 centimeter and the area sum (130 pi). Find the radius of the circle. So we want to value of capital R and small r. Simply sum of the area of circles 130 pi. Pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 130 pi. R square plus r square is equal to 130 pi. Pi taken common, pi cancel, and from here we have to get the value of capital R 14 minus r. So pi cancel, then put the value of from first capital R value 14 minus r whole square plus r square 130 sent to opposite side minus 130, that is 0. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2r square 28r plus then split it, r common, r minus 11, minus 3 common, r minus 11, r minus 11, r minus 3 is equal to 0, r minus 11 equal to 0, r minus 3 is equal to 0. So r is equal to 11, r is equal to 3. When you put this value here, so what you get, capital R is equal to 14 minus 3, 14 minus 11. So r equal to 3 or 11 means radii are 3 and 11 because small r 11 to capital R 3, small r 3 to capital R 11. So the value of the radii of this circle is 11 and 13. So what value is detected, because value based question. So if I say use both plots or the fields from the same type, so it's save water, nature friend, and the plant also show a mutual understanding. If this plant any other means save water, nature friend, mutual understanding if the plots are different owners. Possibly note down. Let's see one more question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 35 centimeter, find the cost of the making of design at the rate of 8.42 per centimeter square. 6 equal design. Figure is not equal, but understand. Radius 35 centimeter, and this is the design. 6 equal design. Rate of design 8.42 per centimeter square. Then if I say they all are equal sides, so if we join with the center, they all form equal angles, and the theta for this angle, that is 360 by 6, 60 degree. The angle includes between two radii, that is 60. We want to find these 6 design, that is the form of segment of circle. So area of 6 design, 6 into area of segment, 6 theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Here we have taken common 6 r square, put the value theta 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 minus 1 upon 2 sin 60. 6 into 35 into 35, 11 by 21 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. That's the value. Solve it. Six into 35 into 35, 11 by 21 minus 4, 1.732. Then multiply it. Divide them. Then multiply 60, 35 into 35 into 0.009. Then multiply these all, so we get the multiply. We already multiplied 671.16 centimeter square. That is the area of 6 design. So total cost of design is equal to rate 8.42 and the cost 67.16. So is equal to, when multiply we get the 5651.17 rupees. You already multiply in the rough. You can check the multiplication and pause with note down. See the next question. A brooch is made with a golden wire in the form of a circle with diameter 42 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameter, which divided the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. Find the total length of wire, golden wire required, and area of each sector of the brooch. There is a brooch, circular brooch of radius, diameter 42 mm. The broach divided by the 5 diameter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This design is make here. There is no use of this. There is only a misguide you. There is no comment about this diagram in the given in the question. So there are only 5 diameter used to make divide the figure. We want to find the total length of golden wire and area of each sector. Here, first we find the value of theta. Theta is 360 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 36 degree angle. And the radius is equal to 21 mm. Then first, length of golden wire in broach. So, wire used in outer part, that is the circumference of circle, plus this 5 diameter is also wire, golden wire, so 5 diameter. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 plus 5 into 42 diameter is 42 mm. 7 3 21, 3 2 6, 6 2 12 plus 5 2 10, 5 4 21, 3 4 2 mm is the length of golden wire used to make this brooch. Means total length of golden wire, that is 342 mm in this brooch. And the question on find the area of each sector. So area of each sector means one sector. All have the equal sectors. So 10 sectors. So each sector area theta by 360 pi r square, 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 radius, that is 10 times 7 is 21. No cancel. So 3 2 ja 6 by 10. Multiply it. So 22 3 66 6 carry 6 138. So 138.6 centimeter, sorry, millimeter square is the area of each sector used in this brooch. Okay, pause, we note down. One more board question you have to do in front of you. A ceiling fan has 3 wings as shown in figure. Find the length of the arc described between 2 consecutive wings where the length of each wing is 0.98 meter. There is a fan and each wing, this is 0.98 meter. So fan is running just like these types of circle form. So only the question want distance between each consecutive wings, means length of arc with radius 0.98 millimeter. What is theta? Same, 360 by 3 equal parts, 120 degree. There is the question come in board examination. There's a consecutive wings. So length of arc between 2 consecutive theta by 360 into 2 pi r. 120 by 360, 2 into pi value is given? No. So you can use any value. Radius 0.98 per 100. Convert the whole in meter, okay, because radius in meter. So 0 cancel, 3, 7, 1 is 7, 7 for 28, 2 into 22 into 14 by 3 into 100. No cancel out, multiply them. 44 into 14, 14 4s are 56, 61, 6 upon 3 into 100. You only divide by 3, 3 to the 6, 0, 3 5 15, 1 3 3 9 upon 100, 2.0533. So approx 2.05 meter is the length of the distance, length of the arc between two consecutive wings. Means from this to this 2.05, this also are the same length. Pause the video, note down.